Ah, the pumpkin spice latte. It's like that cozy blanket that suddenly limited edition costs 3 times more and still smells like last fall. Here is the deal. It's not just a drink, it's a personality. People clutch their PSL like little golden trophy of seasonal self-care, as if one zip of sweet spice foam could carry them back to a simpler, cinnamon-dusted reality. But spoiler alert, it can't. The true genius here isn't the latte, it's the irony. Because while our PSL warriors post their fall vibe selfies,
they are as much a product as the drink they adore. Where's my latte? I don't give lattes to bitches.
it's like we've convinced ourselves we're deep. But really, we're just one more Starbucks order in the endless autumn queue of existence. Me, Master Puma, laughing, and maybe eye rolling, all the way to the treat stash.
More? Here's more.